You know what? I realized when I thought I'm decluttering, I'm not. I'm just reorganizing the mess, shifting them from one place to another, without the courage to actually throw anything away. I guess that's recluttering. Hi everyone, welcome back to Home Makeover. Today, I've decided to talk about decluttering. Most of the time, we don't realize that when we think we're decluttering, we're actually just moving things around and not really decluttering at all. If you want to experience true decluttering, follow my tips and avoid these mistakes. Don't make decisions when it's emotionally tough. When decluttering, emotions can make it difficult to let go. Old clothes, letters, or gifts might bring up some nostalgia, sadness, or even guilt. It's perfectly okay to take a pause, but avoiding decluttering entirely can actually increase stress. Try to make peace with yourself and trust the positive impact of decluttering on your mind. Taking on too much at once. It's easy to get carried away when decluttering. You might think, I can do this, let's start now. And suddenly everything is out. This can quickly become overwhelming. To avoid this, tackle one area at a time. It makes the process much more manageable and less stressful. Another common mistake is buying a storage solution before decluttering. One of the most common mistakes people make is rushing to buy storage solutions, bins, baskets, shelves, or organizers before they actually decluttered. It feels productive to organize your things, but giving it more polished appearance instead of solving the problem, you may end up with neatly organized chaos, making your space feel full and overwhelming. Keep what you'll never use. Decluttering can be tough because stuff holds memory that can make it emotional. The key is to focus on what really matters now. You might have a stock of books you bought and never read. Honestly, you probably never will. It's okay to let them go and free up your space. Organize before declutter. It might be tempting to buy cute baskets and storage boxes to tame the mess, but organizing first won't fix the clutter. Start by getting rid of what you don't need. If you notice, I'm just trying to say don't hold on the things you don't use. Give them to someone who needs them. And if they're useless, toss them. Show yourself some respect. This is the key to have a peaceful home. And never forget, clear space, clear mind. Subscribe for more and click the bell